Family Bank Group has posted a 56% increase in profit after tax to 3.5 billion for Q3 2025, up from 2.3 billion in the same period last year. The performance was driven by sustained growth in interest income, a strong balance sheet, and prudent cost management. Total assets grew by 24.1% to 202 billion Kenyan shillings, driven by increase in investments in government securities to 39.0 billion shillings. The loan book expanded by 10.1% to 103 billion Kenyan shillings, while total interest income grew by 21.2%, largely due to interest from loans, income from investments, and government securities. The bank closed the 9 months with a remarkable 10.9 billion net interest income. Family Bank Group is also working towards its planned listing on Nairobi Securities Exchange by mid-2026, as announced by the chairman of the board.
In 4 years, we've managed to double the size of Family Bank from 100 to 200 billion. And during that period, we were growing at a rate of 13-14%. Within the current strategic period, you can see the numbers. We've started to see the growth getting to the ranges of 30, some parameters, 48%.
When you look at the growth that we have received, or we have recorded over time, this is also a clear demonstration that our strategic focus is bearing fruits. If you look at MSME and retail segments, they're the fastest growing sectors. Within, if you are to compare year on year, we have grown by 61% within our retail and MSME. And I have mentioned time and again, why MSME? Because the opportunity is huge.
We convened a board meeting and passed a resolution recommending the listing of the Family Bank Limited shares in the Nairobi Securities Exchange. And we did not stop there. Now, soon after, on the 27th of October, 2025, we also convened an extraordinary meeting of the shareholders, and they passed a resolution approving the above listing and authorizing the board to expedite the listing of these shares.
Kenyan investors seeking stability, dollar protection,